How to use elderberry in your life. Elderberries can be eaten either fresh or dried. Because the small berries have large seeds, they are frequently used in preparations that extract the juice and strain the seeds. Elderberry syrup goes well with sweet breakfasts and desserts. The berries can be cooked into foods or turned into jams, sauces, baked goods, and even wine. Raw berries can make you sick, but cooking or fermenting them makes them safe to eat. Syrups, tinctures and elixirs are all forms of elderberry medicine. To get the best results when using elderberries to treat a cold or flu, use them at the very beginning. It is also preferable to take it frequently throughout the day rather than in large quantities only once or twice a day. Because elderberries can be consumed as food, the dosage can be quite high. Amounts suggestions. Syrup. 30 to 60 grams of syrup prepared daily. Tincture. Dried berries, 1.5, 40% alcohol, 30 to 90 drops, 1/4 to 1 teaspoon, per hour in emergency situations. Particular considerations. Elderberries are generally considered to be safe for everyone. Toxic substances in raw seeds can cause nausea and vomiting. Cooking them reduces the effect. Tincture of elderberries. As with elderberry syrup, you can take it by the teaspoonful at the onset of a cold or flu and continue taking it until you feel better. It's also a tasty preventive medicine. Enjoy it on its own or in a hot toddy. Alternatively, it can be used to put a herbalist's spin on the classic sidecar cocktail. Yield. Approximately 2 cups. 1½ cup dried elderberries or 3 cups fresh elderberries, 1 cup fresh elderflowers or 1/2 cup dried elderflowers, 2/3 cup honey, approximately 2 cups brandy, XO or VSOP. (1). In a 1-quart jar, combine the elderberries, elderflowers, and honey. 2. Fill the jar halfway with brandy, leaving an inch at the top. Stir the ingredients together with a chopstick or butter knife to combine and release any air bubbles. Cover the jar tightly and label it. 3. Keep the jar in a cool, dark place for at least 6 weeks. For the first week, shake the jar every day. If you used fresh berries or flowers, make sure the plant material is completely immersed in the alcohol throughout the macerating process. 4. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer, discarding the solids. 5. Fill a clean jar or bottle with the liquid and label it. Keep in a cool, dark place for a year and use within that time.